Good evening, everyone. My name is Nia, a student in the accounting study program. On this occasion, I will be conducting an interview discussing English language learning and the development of foreign language education in Indonesia. Today, I will invite my friend Lydia to discuss this topic. Lydia is currently studying at the same university as I am. She is also enrolled in the accounting study program. Welcome, Lydia.
Good evening, Nia. Thank you for inviting me to this interview.
Okay, to begin, could you share your experience in learning English from the earliest text until now?
Sure. From my personal experience, English learning start in elementary school, but at that time, it mainly focused on grammar and vocabulary memorization. When I entered university, I realized that English is not only a subject but also a tool for communication and access to knowledge. Since then, I have tried to improve my skill by practicing listening and speaking, as well as reading academic material in English.
In your opinion, what are the most common challenges faced by Indonesian students when learning English?
Hmm. I believe there are several major challenges. Many students are afraid of making mistakes, which affect their confidence when speaking. Some teaching methods still emphasize theory rather than practical communication. As a result, students often develop passive understanding rather than active language skill.
Do you think technology development has helped the language learning process?
Yes, definitely. Technology has made language learning more accessible and flexible. There are many learning applications, online course, podcasts, and educational video that allow students to practice anytime and anywhere. In addition, social media expose learn to foreign language through daily content, which indirectly help improve comprehension and vocabulary.
Okay, beside English, how do you see the development of foreign language learning in Indonesia?
I think it has grown significantly. Now more people are now interested in learning other foreign languages such as Chinese, Japanese, Korean, German, and Arabic. This trend is influenced by career opportunities, scholarship, international education, and also global cultural influence like film and music. It shows that Indonesian society is becoming more aware of the importance of global communication skills.
Next, in your view, does the current education system in Indonesia, in your view, does the current education system in Indonesia adequately support this development?
I think there has been progress, but I believe improvement are still needed. Language education should place more emphasis on interactive learning, communication practice, and real-life application. Students need a supportive environment where they feel comfortable expressing themselves without fear of being judged for mistakes.
As accounting students, how relevant is English proficiency to our field of study?
Mm, I think English proficiency is highly relevant. Many accounting firms, international financial reporting standard, and academic reference are writing in English. Having strong English skill helps students access broader learning resources, understand global development, and prepare for professional environment that involves international communication.
Do you think foreign language skills can influence someone's career opportunities?
Absolutely. Many companies prefer employees who can communicate in foreign language, especially those that operate internationally. Language proficiency can increase competitiveness in the job market and offer opportunities to work in multinational companies or pursue higher education abroad.
Uh, for last question, what advice would you give to students who want to improve their English or other foreign language skills?
My advice would be to stay confident and not be afraid of making mistakes. Start with small daily habits such as watching movie without subtitle, reading sample article, or practicing speaking with friends like we. Language learning is long process and steady practice is more important than perfection.
Hey, thank you very much for your time and for sharing your insight, Lydia. I hope this interview will provide useful knowledge and motivation for students who are learning foreign language.
Thank you, Nia. I hope this interview is helpful too.
Thank you. See you again.
See you.
Hello everyone, my name is Nia Janiati and I will present the result of an interview I did about English language learning and the development of foreign language education in Indonesia. I have main points. Number one, English learning usually starts from elementary school and initially focus on grammar and vocabulary. Number two, at the university level, English is understood as communication tools and access to knowledge. Number three, common challenges faced by Indonesian students include lack of confidence and fear of making mistakes. Number four, teaching methods often emphasize theory more than practical communication. Number five, technology supports language learning through applications, online courses, and podcasts, videos, and social media. Number six, interest in learning other foreign languages like Mandarin, Japanese, Korean is increasing in Indonesia. Number seven, the education system has improved but still needs more interactive and communication-based learning methods. Number 8. English proficiency is highly relevant for accounting students due to international terminology and reference. Number 9. Foreign, foreign language foreign language skill can increase career opportunities and competitiveness. Number 10, uh, consistency, daily practice, and confidence are key factors in improving language skill. Next, what is English language? English language learning plays an important role in modern education because it functions as an international language that supports global communication, access to information, and academic and professional development. In the era of globalization and technological advancement, English and other foreign language skills have become essential for students to improve their competence and future career opportunities. Now, presentation of interview result. 1. Experience in learning English. English learning generally begins in elementary school, mainly focusing on grammar and vocabulary. However, at the university level, English is increasingly understood as a communication tool and a means to access broader knowledge. 2. Challenge in learning English. The main challenge faced by Indonesian students include a lack of confidence and fear of making mistakes when speaking. In addition, teaching methods that focus more on theory often limit the development of active communication skill. 3. The role of technology in language learning. Technological development has positively influenced language learning by providing access to learning application, online course, podcasts, educational videos, and social media. These tools make learning more flexible and engaging. Next, number 4, development of foreign language learning in Indonesia. The main challenge faced by Indonesian students include a lack of confidence and fear of making mistakes when speaking. In addition, teaching methods that focus more on theory often limit the development of active communication skill. Number 5, support from the education system. Although the education system has shown progress, language learning still needs improvement toward more interactive and communication-based methods so that students feel more confident when using the language. Number 6, relevance of English in accounting. English proficiency is highly relevant for accounting students because many professional terms, international accounting standard, and academic reference are written in English. 7. Impact of language skills on career opportunities. Foreign language skill can increase competitiveness in the job market and open opportunities to work in multinational companies or continue higher education abroad. 8. Suggestion for improving language skills. Consistency and the courage to make mistakes are key factors in language learning. Simple daily activities such as reading articles, watching movies, and practicing speaking with friends can gradually improve language ability. Next, for my personal response, in my opinion, the interview highlight that successful language learning depends not only on theoretical knowledge but also on confidence and consistent practice. The use of technology can be effective solution to support more flexible and engineering learning. Furthermore, as a accounting student, English proficiency is an important skill that help us prepare for global professional environments. Let's conclusion. Overall, English and foreign language learning play a significant role in academic and professional development. Existing challenges can be overcome through communicative teaching methods, technological support, and consistent practice. Therefore, developing foreign language skill is an essential competency that students should continue to improve in order to to adapt and compete in a global environment. That is the end of my presentation. I'm sorry if there were any mistakes or wrong pronunciations. Thank you for watching.